I've got this old hand crank drill press that belonged to my dad. He got it from his dad, which is my grandpa, and I think it might even be older than that. I've got some numbers on it here. It says Buffalo, New York, USA, number 61R. I have to turn it over here to see if it's got anything else on it as far as maybe let me know who made it. No, number 61R. So I'm going to have to try to figure out. Oh, here we go. Buffalo Forge Company. I've already sprayed it, got everything loose, freed up. So we're going to try to get this thing put back together. I don't want to do a restoration on it. I just want to clean it up and leave it how it was. I don't want to. It's not painted or anything. It's just cast iron. It's going to be inside my wood shop on the wall, so I'm not going to paint it. I'm just going to clean it up, get it put back together, and see if it'll drill a hole.